Hi, this is Alex from phpacademy.org with another video for the New Boston. Now, we've already looked at setting PHP sessions and why they're useful. However, if we wanted to unset a session for any reason, or unset a particular session, or unset all sessions, we need a way to do this, and there's a couple of ways that you can do this, either by unsetting an individual session. You might not want to end all your sessions, but we've got a function called unset that's going to unset a particular session that we specify, or you can use another function called session destroy, which will unset all the sessions related to that user and your server. So in this set.php file, we've already started up our session, and we've set a session called username to the value of Alex, and in the view we're checking for this. Now I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to call this unset.php. Now this might be a logout file. You might be logging your users out. We've already spoken about why sessions might be useful for login systems. We might be even clearing the total of a user's basket, or deleting items from a user's basket. So just imagine this is a logout page. Now you may for example want to unset a particular session. Now to do this, you want to use unset. Now you can see that the session is called session or it's called username. So I'm going to unset $_session username. Now there's a fundamental mistake I've made in this file on purpose, just so you can see why. Now let's go ahead and set this. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on view, and you can see that it's welcoming me here. So we've already looked at this example. Now if I'm to click on unset.php and then go back and then click on view again, you can see that it still says welcome Alex. Now why is this the case when we've used this unset feature, or this function, to unset this username? And the simple answer is I've actually purposely forgotten to put session start. So even though you're unsetting sessions, you still need to declare this function or call this function in order to unset your sessions. And it will be the same for the other example I'm going to show you in just a moment. So let's go back and click set just to make sure that's definitely set. Click on view and it says welcome Alex. So now let's go back and click on unset. Now this time we should have succeeded in unsetting that session. So if we click on view, it now says please log in. So you may come across in your programs when you're using this, oh, the session's not unsetting, you know, why is this? This might be a question on your mind. Why isn't it working? It's frustrating you. The answer is always check that you've correctly started your sessions up before you try to unset them. Now what if I want to have a couple of sessions that I want to unset? So I want to unset more than one session, in fact all the sessions that exist. So I'm going to make a few changes to this program. Under set, I'm going to set another session, and this is going to be called age, and I'm going to set this equal to 21. Now on view, we're going to say if is set session username and $_, oh no, remember our another is set function in there. So we're checking that both these sessions exist, and then we're saying welcome to the username, and then we're going to say you are, and then we're going to specify my age just by calling that in there, or concatenating that. So now what's the result we're going to achieve if we come and reset our sessions? We come back and click view. Welcome Alex, you are 21. So we've used two different sessions now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click unset. I'm going to go back again and click on view. In fact, this is a bad example because we are checking for both of these. Let's just get rid of that there. Okay, so now if I refresh, you can see welcome and then a comma and then a full stop, because just one of the sessions is missing. Remember, in this unset file we're only unsetting the username. So let's just reset everything again just so we can view the example of unsetting all of them. Click view. So now this is being displayed correctly. Now what happens if I want to unset all sessions? So I'm going to get rid of this line, and I'm simply going to type session _destroy. Now what this command here is going to do, when we call this function, we are unsetting all sessions that currently exist. So not for all users across your website, but just between the connection, me and the server. So now what I can do is I'm going to refresh again just so you can see that the data is still there. Now I'm going to click unset, I'm going to go back again, I'm going to click view, and we've removed both the session data, so we've removed my name and my age. So that's basically unsetting session data in PHP.